Hello everyone, welcome back with a very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you if you're trying to activate FaceTime on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you're having FaceTime waiting for activation problem on your iPhone device. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily fix this problem. So first of all, here you need to open settings on your iPhone device, and first thing here, you'll have to make sure that you're using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you'll have to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Then after that, here if you're using mobile phone data, then here you will have to turn off your mobile phone data and turn it on again. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you'll have to again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you'll have to scroll it down, and here make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct, and the set automatically is turned on, and the time zone is selected correctly from here. So after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, here open settings, then tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you'll have to tap on sign in and security on your iPhone device. So after that, here you'll have to wait for a few moments. So after that, here make sure that your Apple ID, Gmail account and mobile phone numbers are verified from here. So after that, again open settings, then after that, here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on apps. So after that, here you'll have to scroll down and here tap on FaceTime, and here you'll have to disable the FaceTime from here. Then after that, here minimize this, then here you'll have to force restart your iPhone device, tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, again open settings on your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to enable the FaceTime again and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open settings on your iPhone device. Then here scroll down, then tap on general. Then scroll down, then here tap on software update, and make sure that your iPhone device is up to date. And if there is any update available, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So after that, here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Then here you'll have to go back again open setting, then here tap on your Apple ID profile, then here scroll it up, and here you will need to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device and sign in again in your iPhone device. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to activate FaceTime on your iPhone device after all these steps. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.